Welcome back to Between Two Figs. I'm your host, Vanessa Yuri Chung, monolith princess, local celebrity, and I'm here with Dylan Field, CEO and my co-founder of San Francisco-based startup Figma.
My co-founder was Evan.
First question, in 2016, we founded Figma together. What have you done since then?
Well, since I co-founded Figma
Together
in
with me.
2012 with Evan, we've grown the company from 2 people to more than 600 and have customers now around the world, which I'm really excited about.
It says in here that we founded it together.
Well, that's wrong.
What does Figma mean to you?
Figma is like a figment of your imagination, and it's this idea that anyone can go from imagination to reality and be able to express themselves creatively.
I have another question. Did you like the decade of design?
We're in the decade of design.
No, we aren't. How aren't you a maker?
I'm not sure I understand the question.